Hello everyone, anyways, let's start over. Hi, my name is Lisa. Hoping to do another makeup tutorial here. I have actually a new wig. It actually looks nice. It's actually longer, but I put it up because it's just gonna get in the way. But I love this wig. I got it from Rockstar Wigs, so if you are interested in good wigs, go to Rockstar. They also like support drag queens, and like certain portions of their money go to cancer patients, which I really like that. But anyways, please like and subscribe to the channel. So we're gonna hop right into this video. So I do have some background music on. Hopefully it's not too loud. I reviewed some footage and apparently it's not even really there. But there was no copyrights, of course. Oh, here I am dropping makeup. I have already primed and put foundation on my face. Of course, my famous go-to is Kat Von D, her Lock-It Primer and hydrating base, or hydrating primer and base, who cares? And then, of course, her Lock-It foundation in the shade 43, Light Warm. Of course, last but not least, you know, I have to have my concealer, also from Kat Von D. Her Lock-It one is in the shade M17 Warm. And also her Lock-It corrector, which I'm probably going to have to get more of this pretty soon, but in the shade Medium 22, the original medium. And of course, last but not least, we have the Kat Von D Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer. Of course, my go-tos. Anyways, we should hop into the video. But first things first, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Androgny Palette. He does have a new palette coming out. I think it's February 10th. It's called Blood Sugar. I definitely will be getting that, and hopefully when I get it, I will be doing a tutorial. But, of course, this is what the palette looks like. It's just as a reminder to everyone, anyone who doesn't have it or thinking about getting it. It is really an awesome palette. I mean, I like it. I use it a lot, clearly. Or at least Frosting, Safe Word, and Charm I use way too much. And a little bit of Military and Fetish and all that jazz. But we shall get into the video. Man! Seems like my eyeshadow, my brushes seem to disappear on me. They're running away from me, I swear. Anyways, of course, I have my mirror. Like I said, I used to have this, or I explained this. I think I explained this in my very first video, that I used to have King Tut in it, but then it just, I kept dropping it, or I kept getting banged around, and I just ended up taking it all out and using it as a compact mirror. But anyways, first things first. Dang it! Anyways, last but not least, but I am going to go into the shade Safe Word right here and use it as my base. With a little, just seems like a medium shadow brush. I have some fallout on my face. I get it, fallout. Only gamers will get that reference. Dang it! Why do I keep dropping my brushes? Okay, I'm gonna fix it. My fallout on my face. I like this song. It's called Blaze It Up by the Loopers. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I try to keep the music down because I'm playing it through my Xbox. So hopefully that it's not too loud. I actually had to go. I forgot my setting spray, my Urban Decay Deluxe setting spray. Anyways, it's also very important. Anyways, gonna be going in with an angle brush. It's kind of small, but I'm gonna go use it and put into my crease. Charmed right here is kind of an orange color. Kind of lightly put that in there and see how this works. gonna put it in there. I know it kind of looks funky, but like I have a plan to a point. Oh, hopefully it works. So we got that into my crease. Then I'm gonna go in with kind of a smaller brush. I think this is kind of like just a little shadow brush. I was thinking about going into the color Swallow and use it to kind of wing out my eye. Kind of use it on the outside. See how this works. Dun, dun, dun. Like that, like so. Oh, that looks not so bad. I thought that was going to be way worse than I thought it was going to be. Ah. Get a little closer to the camera. Okay. I actually had a friend last night who texted me, and he was saying how good my my makeup videos have been. So thank you. I will not release names, but you know who you are. You know who you are. Anyways, we got the wings done. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with kind of a little medium brush here. And I'm going to go in with the color Fetish. And kind of fill in my eyes a little bit. Good, more fall out of my face. I have to go back and put in more Swallow. I think I a little overdid it. I don't know, what do you guys think? No, I actually kind of like it how it's going. It's kind of different. I like different. I like the strange and unusual. Why do my eyes look weird? Yeah, well, not everything's going according to plan, but that's okay. I don't know why it's fallouty on my right side of my face. It is on the rest of it. I may have a red hue underneath my eyes before this video's done. Oh well, nothing. It's just a typical day in the life of Lisa, honestly. I'm missing a... Oh, that's where I put it. Right over here. Why did I do that? Anyways. Gonna go in with this as kind of a smudge brush. Using the wrong thing. I'm gonna just kind of blend all this. So it doesn't look too awkward. I was thinking about going back in with Swallow and kind of fixing that corner. Or I should just say, screw it, wing it. Well, I'm gonna go back to fix it. And the thing about this red and fetish is that I've kind of noticed it's sometimes a pain in the ass to blend. And excuse the language, but it's how I feel about it. Oh, I like that. It's kind of blended into a purple. Well, technically red and blue do paint, like they are purple. Oh, that's really pretty, I like that. I really like how this is all kind of working together right now. I thought this was gonna be a lot worse than what it is. I like that. It's not turning out too badly. Since I thought this was gonna be a lot worse than what it is. Then going in kind of with a little applicator. It's kind of weird. It's kind of just a square. Damn it, where'd this setting spray go? I've been wanting to try something. Kind of. A lot of people, a lot of YouTubers, like Jeffree Star and all that, they do that sometimes. You kind of wet the brush before going in. Kind of seems to stay on a little better. Damn it, where's the mirror? We'll just go into a little inner corner. Why is my left side brighter than the right side? What is this sorcery today? You see the face of just sheer madness. Well, there goes my hair. I think this is as good as it's ever gonna get. Nope, using a different one. Both sides. Haha! I win. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm just dropping everything today, and it's kind of pissing me off a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. Also, I'm a little bit upset with Halo last night because I went to bed upset with Halo because I couldn't get past this one spot, and it's because the tank. I can't remember the tank in Halo Combat Evolved. I think it's the first one, which is Combat Evolved. I went to bed angry because I couldn't get past this one spot, and the cannon kept, the cannon, like the shooting of the cannon, kept killing me. I was just so upset. I'm still raging about that from last night. Like, I know that I'm a gamer, but I do get gamer rage. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and lie. Like, I seriously do. And I know some other people do, too. What is anything that's better? What do you guys think? I went, by the way, that was the shade Frosting. Sorry about that. Right here. I think I'm done with the eyeshadow palette, and then I'll be right back putting my eyeliner on and everything. I'll be right back. I am back. I put on my eyeliner, my mascara, of course. This has to be my new favorite go-to. It is the Better Than Sex mascara. Like, I just really love it. It really makes my lashes really pop. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell, but it does. And then, of course, I did a little bit of contouring using the... Where'd it go? the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I used this middle one, which is the shade Woodland. Apparently that is my shade. And of course, for some highlighting, I use Uranus by Jeffree Star and Manny Mue. Ooh, look at that glow. And then, of course, I use my Trooper Amaska case for my eyeliner. And to top it all off, ladies and gents, we have Celine by Black Moon Cosmetics. It's kind of a purple color. Anyways, it looks very nice. And of course, we had to have a top hat to finish it all off. And of course, my hair is down. And I set it all with my D6 sliding spray. But thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.